Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat account recovery. If you forgot your WeChat account username or a password, here is a step-by-step guide on how to request for account recovery on WeChat without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to bear in mind that you have to request for account recovery using another account that you have access to. It may be a friend account or what have you. So let me show you this easy and step-by-step way on how to ask for WeChat account recovery or WeChat account password recovery. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So after you open up the WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on me right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on account security. Then go ahead and click on WeChat Security Center. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Safety Tool. Now you are here. The first one here, account recovery. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on request for WeChat account password recovery. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to accept the terms of everything. So here I have read and agreed to the terms of service. So what are the terms of service? Appeal is for user who can't log in into WeChat account with WeChat link, mobile, QQ, email, or who forgot their WeChat password. After approved, log in with WeChat ID plus new password. Using previous login devices, improve appeal approval chance. Go ahead and click on start appeal. Once you click on start appeal, I'm going to go ahead now and click on start appeal. Then here we go. You'll be asked to complete the security settings slide. A security question. What you need to do is to drag this slider and make sure it snaps into the triangle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and snap to the triangle. And security verification complete. What we want to do here now is to go ahead and make sure we click on here and choose the country code. Then here you have to select the account country code of that particular WeChat account. Like for instance, if the account is, so you have to make sure you look for the country right here. So every country with their country code. However, if your country code was not found right here, it simply means that your country is not supported in using WeChat. So if I go ahead now and click on Nigeria right here, the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you enter the mobile number of the account that you are asking for account recovery for. For instance, I'm going to click on here and enter the account number right here. Once you enter the account number, go ahead and click on next and wait for appeal resolution from WeChat team, and the account will be successfully recovered. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.